Hello, my name is Juyel Hushen. I'm from Tripura. I'm a civil engineering graduate, and I was looking for a job in the IT company, but I couldn't get through the interview because of I have zero knowledge on codings. Then one of my friend recommended me to join in QSpider in the Chrompet branch. Then I joined in 2021 November month. Thereafter, I learned from their Java, SQL, and manual testing. And after completion my course, their 100% placement assistant helped me to get place in the IT company finally. And I'm really thankful to QSpider Chrompet.